The truck market is about to get a serious shakeup with the arrival of the 2027 GMC Sierra 1500. This isn't just another refresh, it's a complete rethinking of what a premium truck should be. If you've been disappointed by the current crop of trucks with their cheap interiors and underwhelming engines, the 2027 Sierra is here to change your mind. While other manufacturers are abandoning V8 engines and cutting corners on cabin quality, GMC is going all in with next-generation power, a completely overhauled interior, and a design that's sure to turn heads. Let's dive in. Interior revolution changes everything. Let's start inside, because that's where you'll notice the biggest changes. The current Sierra is solid, but let's be honest, the interior hasn't always felt as premium as the price tag suggests. Well, that's all changing for 2027. GMC has listened to the criticism and is addressing every concern with a comprehensive interior transformation. Material quality is getting a significant upgrade across the board. Anyone who has spent time in a truck knows how quickly cheap plastics can crack in the sun or start squeaking on rough roads. GMC is investing in higher-grade materials and improved fit and finish throughout the cabin, the kind of attention to detail that makes the difference between a truck you tolerate and one you actually enjoy spending time in. The control layout is being completely reimagined for better ergonomics and intuitive operation. Physical buttons and knobs are making a comeback for critical functions like climate control. Because let's face it, there's nothing worse than trying to adjust the temperature while wearing work gloves or bouncing down a rutted trail. Super Cruise compatibility is being integrated from the start, turning those long interstate hauls into opportunities to arrive less fatigued and more focused. Seating is another area receiving major improvements. The 2027 model is getting redesigned seats with better cushioning, improved bolstering, and enhanced adjustability, making a real difference when you're facing a 12-hour day behind the wheel. V8 power returns with modern technology, but the cabin upgrades are just the beginning, because what's happening under the hood is where things get really interesting. While competitors are abandoning V8 engines in favor of turbocharged 6s, GMC is doubling down on 8-cylinder power with a completely new generation of engines. The Sierra will continue offering a diverse powertrain lineup, starting with the proven 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that delivers 310 horsepower and an impressive 430 pound-feet of torque. The turbo diesel option is sticking around as well, but the big news is the arrival of GMC's next-generation V8 family. General Motors is investing $888 million in its engine plant to develop and produce these all-new 8-cylinder powertrains. These aren't just updates to the current small block engines, they're ground-up redesigns incorporating modern efficiency technologies. Expect displacements of 5.7 liters and 6.6 liters, replacing the current 5.3 liters and 6.2 liters units. These new V8s will feature advanced combustion management, lightweight construction, and potentially hybrid integration. GM has confirmed that these engines will deliver stronger performance alongside better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Early estimates suggest the smaller V8 could produce around 380 horsepower, while the larger displacement might push past 450 horsepower. More power means easier merging with heavy trailers, less transmission hunting on steep grades, and the confidence to tackle any towing situation without second-guessing your truck's capability. All engines will be paired with an updated 10-speed automatic transmission. GM is investing an additional $300 million to upgrade its Michigan transmission plant, addressing previous issues like the rear wheel lockup problem. The new valve body design promises smoother shifts and improved reliability, the kind of refinement that prevents that embarrassing shudder at the stoplight. AT4X finally competes seriously. All that power is impressive, but it means nothing if you can't put it to the ground when the pavement disappears, which is exactly why the AT4X is getting such a massive overhaul. GMC's off-road-focused AT4X trim is about to get significantly more capable. The current model maxes out at 33-inch tires, a notable disadvantage compared to Ford's Raptor and Ram's TRX and RHO, which come factory-equipped with 35-inch rubber. The 2027 Sierra AT4X is rectifying this limitation with redesigned wheel openings and modified front bumper geometry to accommodate factory 35-inch tires. This change delivers multiple benefits beyond just looking more aggressive. The difference between clearing a rock obstacle and scraping your skid plate often comes down to just an inch or two of clearance. The AT4X will feature upgraded suspension components to handle the increased tire size without compromising ride quality on pavement. Skid plates are being reinforced and extended to protect vital components during serious off-road use. The front differential, transfer case, and fuel tank all receive additional shielding. Inside, the AT4X gets exclusive trim materials that emphasize its adventure-ready character. The digital displays receive AT4X-specific graphics, showing real-time information like pitch and roll angles, differential status, and tire pressure. The kind of data that helps you navigate challenging terrain without getting stuck or causing damage. But what if you want to take your Sierra off the beaten path? That's where the AT4X comes in, and let me tell you, it's getting some serious upgrades. The AT4X's capability upgrades are substantial, but they're matched by an exterior redesign that's turning heads everywhere these test mules appear. Exterior design demands attention. Now let's talk about how this thing looks. The current Sierra is already a head-turner, but the 2027 model takes it to a whole new level. The front end receives a complete transformation with a more upright, aggressive stance. A massive grille dominates the fascia, flanked by striking new headlight assemblies that incorporate C-shaped LED signatures similar to those found on the refreshed Tahoe and Suburban. The lighting design features thin LED daytime running lights positioned above the main headlamp units, creating a distinctive signature that's immediately recognizable as GMC. The hood design is dramatically more sculpted with pronounced bulges on either side of a depressed center section. This isn't just styling for styling's sake. The raised sections accommodate the larger engines beneath while improving aerodynamics. The Denali trim will stand out with unique chrome or polished metal accents, exclusive wheel designs, and possibly two-tone paint schemes that emphasize its luxury positioning. Meanwhile, AT4 and AT4X variants receive their own styling treatment with black accents, aggressive bumper designs, and unique grille patterns that signal serious off-road intent. The rear design receives equal attention with new taillights that stretch farther forward along the tailgate. These units echo the styling seen on the Silverado EV while maintaining GMC's distinct identity. Corner steps in the rear bumper are being enlarged for easier bed access, while the exhaust system exits through quad tips similar to those found on the Corvette and refreshed Tahoe. But GMC isn't stopping there. They're also working on something for the performance enthusiasts out there. While the AT4X handles serious off-roading, GMC is developing an even more extreme variant to compete with Ford's F-150 Raptor R. This high-performance Sierra will feature a supercharged engine producing well over 600 horsepower, transforming the truck into a legitimate performance machine capable of blistering acceleration and incredible off-road speeds. The suspension setup for this variant will be completely unique, featuring long travel shocks with massive wheel travel, reinforced control arms, and specialized tuning for high-speed desert running. Think of it as having two completely different trucks in one. Comfortable enough for the daily commute, but capable of speeds that would destroy a standard suspension when the pavement ends. Visual differentiation will be substantial. Expect massive fender flares, a unique front bumper with enhanced cooling capacity, and a special hood with functional heat extraction. Inside, this performance variant gets sport seats with enhanced bolstering, unique trim materials, and special badging throughout. The digital displays receive performance-oriented graphics showing boost pressure, transmission temperature, and other vital statistics. This truck represents GMC's commitment to offering the most capable and exciting Sierra ever built, positioning GMC directly against Ford's flagship performance truck. Market launch and investment. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 will hit the market in the summer of 2027. This timeline puts GMC ahead of the next-generation Ford F-150, which has been delayed, potentially giving the Sierra a window to capture market share. Base models will start in the mid-$40,000 range. Mid-level trims like the SLT and Elevation will land between $50,000 and $60,000 depending on options and powertrain choice. The Denali trim will exceed $70,000 in well-equipped form, while the high-performance supercharged variant could easily push past $100,000, positioning it as a true halo vehicle. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 is shaping up to be exactly what the premium truck market has been missing. From improved interior materials to the next-generation V8 engines, producing up to 450 horsepower, GMC is addressing every criticism leveled at the current generation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in the automotive world.